Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see addition and subtraction with sign magnitude data. So we have two different rules here for addition operation and for subtraction operation. Now, if we're considering sign magnitude data and addition and subtraction operation, these are the 8 possible operations that we can do, where A and B are two values and with their respective sign representation. Now, we need to fill this table here. So first of all, we'll start with the first row. We see that we have a positive sign here, so we go for this addition operation rule. So if we see the rule here, that if the signs of the two same numbers are the same, then we have to add two magnitude of the numbers and resultant sign will be the sign of both numbers. So it says that in case of addition, we need to add the magnitude of two numbers and then the sign will be the common sign of both numbers, which is positive. Okay, now we'll go to the second row. We see that the two signs are different for A and B, so the first rule does not apply here. We need to move on to the second rule. So if signs of two numbers are different, then we have to subtract. Now for that we have three conditions, so these three conditions will be applied and addition will not be applied in this particular case here. So for the first case, if A is greater than B, subtract smaller number from B with a larger number A, meaning perform A minus B and then the resultant sign will be the sign of A. That means what we need to do here is do A minus B and then the resulting final sign will be the sign of A, which is positive. Also for the second case, if B is actually less than A, then we need to perform subtraction of smaller number A with larger number B, it should be B here, B, which means we need to do B minus A and then the resultant sign will do the complement of A sign, which means we'll do B minus A and then the resultant sign will be the complement of the sign plus here, which means the sign will be minus. And for the third case, if A equals to B, we need to subtract B from A. We only have positive there, so the resultant sign is also plus. So we need to do A minus B and then the resultant sign is always going to be a plus because the value is going to be a 0 and we don't have a provision of negative 0 in our number system, so we'll always provide a plus sign here. Move on to the third value or the third row. Again we see that the signs are different, so the addition condition will not be applied and then we move on to the subtraction condition. So for the first case, if two signs are different, what we need to do is perform A minus B as per the rule and then the resultant sign will be the sign of A, which means it will be minus A minus B. And also in the second case, we need to do B minus A, but we need to refer to this particular rule here. So the resultant sign will be the complement of A sign, which means here is a negative sign in A, so the sign now is going to be a plus and then the end result is going to be the same again. We do plus A minus B. Now move on to the fourth row. We see that now the two signs are same with an addition operation. So if the sign of two numbers are same, then we have to add the magnitude. So what we do is we add the magnitude and then we provide the resultant sign as the common sign of both numbers, which is negative here. So we only look for the addition case in this case and then we don't go for the subtraction case here. Now wherever we see a subtraction operation, all of these 4 operations belong to this particular subtraction operation here. So for now, in order to fill this table, we again need to study the rule. So first of all, we see that the signs are common and the rule says that if the signs of two numbers are same, then we have to subtract, not add. So again we have 3 conditions. So again, as the same, we do A minus B and then perform A minus B and then the resultant sign will be the sign of A. In case of here, we do B minus A and then the sign will the complement of A sign, meaning B, and then here we do plus A minus B. I think now you can complete the rest of the table here. So pause the video and then complete the remaining table. I'll show you the result at the end. Hopefully the concept is clear to you. If you have any questions, do comment down below and I'll try to help you out. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.